Continuing our discussion on the very important liners, if you haven't gone through the previous video, I would request you to please go through the videos to have a better understanding of the one-liners that can be asked in the examination. Continuing further, you all know about the anatomical dead space and physiological dead space, but the question here can be asked as which method can be used to see the anatomical dead space. It is the Fowler's method. Okay. Now next is Haldane's effect is seen in lungs, seen in left shift of the curve, the oxygen dissociation curve, right? And the Bohr's effect is seen in the right shift of the curve, but it is seen in tissues. Okay. Whenever you are in confusion, remember that the Bohr effect is seen in tissues and the Haldane effect is seen in the lungs. So whichever is in the tissue, it will shift the curve to the right side, and for the lungs it will shift the curve to the left side. L for lungs and L for left shift of the curve, right? So muscle spindle detects the stretch and the Golgi tendon detects the inward stretch, and the type 1 alpha motor neuron is responsible for muscle spindle, and 2b is responsible for Golgi tendon. Here the type 2a is for muscle spindle and 2b is for Golgi tendon. The next is nuclear bag fiber and nuclear chain fiber. So nuclear bag fiber is for static and dynamic also, and nuclear chain fiber is only for static, right? So bag detects static and dynamic, whereas chain is stationary in the neck, so you remember it by static, right? Next is really important, REM sleep, pontogeniculate occipital spikes are pathognomic, and REM is paradoxical sleep with night. Hope you find this informative. Thank you.